Kids Learning World.
Hi! Do you know what a penguin is? It's spelled Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they're excellent swimmers. They live in cold places like Antarctica and have thick feathers to keep them warm. Penguins have black and white feathers that help them hide from predators in the water. They like to eat fish and krill, which they catch while swimming underwater. Penguins waddle when they walk, and they slide on their bellies, which looks like they're tobogganing. Penguins live in groups called colonies, and they're very social animals. They're also great parents and take care of their chicks until they're old enough to swim and find food on their own. Great! Let's draw it together. Here are the simple steps you can follow. If you ever want to draw or learn something new, feel free to come back. Goodbye for now.